When Henrik came over from Sweden, when Henrik he crossed the North Sea, when Henrik he signed for the Celtic, what a signing he turned out to be. Henrik, oh Henrik, oh Henrik's the striker for me, for me. Henrik, oh Henrik, oh Henrik's the striker for me. When Jansen said get me a striker, I'll only take one of the best. And Larsson we've sure got a winner, head and shoulders ahead of the rest. Henrik, oh Henrik, oh Henrik's the striker for me, for me. Henrik, oh Henrik, oh Henrik's the striker for me. He flies through the air when he headers, he's classy when he's on the ball. His skill it bewilders defenders, but his hair it bewilders us all.